Hey, aspiring entrepreneurs. Want to launch your own clothing brand? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to create your store and connect it to Yoycol's print-on-demand model to kickstart your business. First, let's talk about what print-on-demand is. With Yoycol, you can design custom apparel without the hassle of inventory. When someone places an order, Yoycol takes care of printing and shipping directly to your customer. It's that simple. Step 1. Define your niche. Think about what excites you. Is it casual wear, activewear, or something unique? Finding your niche will help you connect with your target audience. Step 2. Create your designs. Use Yoycol's intuitive design tools or upload your own artwork. Make sure your designs are eye-catching and reflect your brand's personality. Step 3. Set up your store. Whether it's Shopify, Etsy or others, register on their website and follow the prompts to create your store. Step 4. Connect your store to Yoycol. Once your store is set up, link it to Yoycol's platform. This integration allows you to manage orders seamlessly and track your sales all in one place. Step 5. Market your brand. Use social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to showcase your designs. Share engaging content, run promotions, and connect with your audience. Collaborating with influencers can also help boost your visibility. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you can start your own clothing brand, create your store, and leverage Yoycol's print-on-demand model to launch your business. Stay creative and persistent. Your fashion journey is just beginning. Ready to make your mark in the fashion world? Hit that like button. Subscribe for more tips. And let's get your brand started today.